friends, welcome to the Creative channel. I am Akilan and in this video we are going to watch how to add Avast plugin to our browser. Let us watch the video now. Please share your comment and suggestions. Open your browser and go to google.com. Type Microsoft Edge plugin and enter. Click Microsoft Edge add-on. Search Avast. Click Avast Online Security. Click Get. At the top, click Add Extension. We successfully added the plugin. If you want users of this plugin, please comment below. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to sponsor us, please contact the email address provided in the About section. Do not hesitate to contact. While going outside, please wear a mask, maintain social distance and don't forget to sanitize your hands with a hand wash.